Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right. That's all right, dear my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it. I'm back again with another video, my people. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you're all doing good and I hope you're all doing great. My people, may I get right into it. No need to hear this. Craig Oates is calling for the resignation of PNP General Secretary Dr. Dayton Campbell. He made the call in a leak WhatsApp messages obtained by an article. In WhatsApp messages sent to a PNP group chat, Craig Oates said he was told by Dr. Campbell that he would be placed on a work program. Mr. Oates says at no point did Mr. Campbell or any secretary member ask for any information on the work he did in the program he was placed. So my people, when I hear them something here, I see it in the article, and I say, you know what, I'm going to share this with you. There's a particular article, my people. Anytime, any little simple thing about the PNP, them always are run with it. Everything negative. Something leak out of one WhatsApp message, some like this leak, and something that you not go run with. Like seriously. Anyway, my people, this man Craig Oates, he has been rejected because it's alleged that Mark Golding wasn't convinced that he will win Hanover side. You understand? Mark Golding wasn't convinced that he could win in a Fame constituency. So he was rejected. It is alleged. You understand? When you come to these type of people, me have to use the word alleged. So it is alleged. And I may say so. You understand? It's thinking at the street, and it was in the paper that he was rejected by the PNP because they're not convinced that he would win in the constituency of Hanover. All right? So, my people, I don't understand why Craig Oates do all these things. Is it because he was rejected? You understand? That's why I come up with these things and saying that Dr. Dayton Campbell should resign. Wanna tell me, because me tell you, me keep telling Mark Golding, they have to be very, very careful. He has to be very careful with the people them in a party, with them MP, them activists who work close with them. Mark Golding, you have to be very careful because I realize a lot of informer is in the PNP. I don't know if I no money now run. You understand? Like Andrew run money, Mark Golding run money, and Mark Golding is rich. You understand? So, one have to understand, say, some people, we get very, what more than say, jealous because them not rich like Mark Golding, and because Mark Golding is a white man. So, they might make it be a problem to them. You understand me? So, my people, want to tell me one thing about this person. Yeah, let me read up a little bit more so I can know who is Craig Oates. Okay, hear this. Although he is a born and bred Hanover Eastern son, 49-year-old Craig Oates, who had put himself forward as an aspiring candidate in the Hanover Eastern constituency to represent the People's National Party, PNP, in the next general election, has been rejected by the party. The people, so basically in born and grow basically Hanover, so, and he's 49. So he put himself forward to be a candidate. So he was an activist. So I don't know how the things set already, my people, right there. So I just believe, I could be wrong, but I just believe because things probably didn't work in his favor. This is why all this is happening. You understand me? And as I say, you have a particular article always bring negativity, negative things about Mark Golding. I don't understand why. You get me? It is alleged that Andrew Ownless buy them out. I'm not going to call the name over here, but I just make you know. Alright. Anyway, the people wanna tell me what you think about this. Put an honest opinion in the comment section for me. Hear this. Head of the St. Elizabeth Police Division Act, Superintendent Coleridge Minto is warning criminals who are seeking refuge in the parish that they'll be found and brought to justice. His comment follows the imposition of states of public emergency, SOEs, in the parishes of Hanover, St. James, St. Catherine, and Clarendon. So I want to hear that. So the police said, warning fleeing criminals, no safe refuge in St. Elizabeth because the Zozo are all over the place. Might as well not just hand on yourself in. If you tell them the truth, might as well. You understand me? Because you know all the things that are ready, them just go flat the whole place. And you know, so them place they are a PNP area. So if you meeting for hell, no meeting can even hell. You understand? So my thing is this. So this is the head of the police, St. Elizabeth Police Division, come out, yeah, and talk. And the police them in the place. Me tell you say if you go train the police them, train them. Can of them are called like police them for in the place, not SOEs. SOEs not trained for them mess up me here. SOEs only trained for aggressive, for get really aggressive and violent and kill. That ain't trained for do. You understand? Ask any soldier. Ask any soldier. They are trained to be aggressive. They're not trained to be sympathetic with people. You understand? This is why I said police have gone. Soldier have gone too. And police have gone. So why not put the police them? You understand? And then when you can use one soldier each in every area. You understand? On the base, one soldier or two soldier at each police station. That make more sense. You get me? And that's what I need for them. And some of the police, them, they not do them job in the community either. Enough of the police, them not do them job in the community. And this is something where Horace Chang need to pull up his sleeve and him not do nothing. Look, him is an MP in a Fame constituency, St. James. And this, look how this is terrible. Eh? We don't expect nothing better from Horace Chang, seriously, because they don't have a crime plan. You see me? When you don't have a crime plan, when you need to come up with a crime plan. All you know say SOE. You don't need to train the police them. Train the police them better because, as me say, enough of the police them coward because it's alleged enough of them are get mixed up in things when they enough get mixed up in and then certain places they can't even go. You get me? People want to know the things that already read between the lines. Anyway, tell me what you think about this. Yeah? And put an honest opinion in the comment section.
The last time they could say there is a JLP part round and one part round here. But when we go to Treadways, Rose gonna give them at least 500. When we come to Linstead, Garrick say 800 at least. When we come to Yuatan, Tingling said 2,000. And when we go to Loiras Vale, hold on, man. Hold on, man. Jah will never give the power to a Bali. Jah will never give the power to a Bali. Come crucify the dread. Hold on now. No. Donkey's a world I live. And I always wonder why donkey? Why not cow? Why not goat? Why dog not a world I live? Them say donkey because donkey is the duncest thing. And if Donkey know, everybody else should know. So I know, say the world no live. I say anything, and it's a big deal.
Yes, Damion Crawford, talk up of things there. My people wanna see why me always like fi play Damion Crawford, show the Damion Crawford over here. So I like show it because I say this man talk with substance. This man talk with substance and he know exactly what he's doing. He's a very, very good MP. So yes, Damion Crawford, I agree with you. I agree with you. My viewers and subscribers, tell me what you think about this. Cause me come for drag on the memory, you know. Yeah man, me come for drag on the memory. Who remember that speech with Damion, when me just play, with Damion Crawford make? Me come for drag on the memory. Because sometimes you don't remember things, you understand? And I want to know say Damion Crawford is a man of integrity and he always show up the JLP. Always show them up. When them come and go on like they want trick way, yeah, with them mats that is not matsing. This a man here always come out and show we from basic straight up. This man you see, Damion Crawford. In my opinion, me feel like him shouldn't be the General Secretary for Mark Golden. For tell another God Almighty truth. Because this man, him having hit pan him body, him know what go on. I'm not saying Dayton Campbell is not good. I'm only saying the rate with Damion Crawford I go, yeah man, he's a very good MP. So now tell me one thing about his speech. Put on an honest opinion in the comment section for me there. Like up the video, share it out and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome people. Big up on a nice clean self. I'm out.